you can be sure, my senior senator here, there is still the issue about powers. They also want to be relevant in the counties, and they know that. They're just lacking relevance. That's why they want to have the county development fund. Why should they chair a county when we know the CEO of the county is a governor? It is there, and that's why you're saying we must respect the constitution. Okay. That is what Kenyans voted.
I think what Senator said is very true. People have misunderstood devolution. Yeah. That's why you find he's saying that the senator should not have a relevance in the same county which elected him as a representative in the Senate and for national matters. But again, there is a misconception that when MPs now are the patrons of CDF, that they run CDF. I don't. In fact, yesterday we were at the PAC, Parliamentary Accounts Committee, where the committees were, the constituent committees were being questioned about the usage of this money. It's not the MP, because unlike the previous Bunge, now I'm not a member of that. I'm just an ex-officio. I don't even have a vote. It's that committee that decides how they are going to use, and that committee now is elected by the people. I only come to appoint the chairman. So what you're saying is that I'm not involved.
But when you're involved in the appointment of the people who you're saying are deciding,
I'm not involved as per the running. So even when the senator comes there,
you're not involved in sitting, but you're involved in the people that have come together to then decide.
And there are laws and regulations that ensures that they do that as per the law. And when it comes to accountability, they are the ones who are going to be accountable. So I don't control them.
Very quickly, what do you say to having the ward fund? Are you in support of that or not?
Our constitution is very clear. And we have a lot of issues even in the way the counties are being run. Devolution has to go below the county. It's not that once you have money in the county, now that's devolution. Because, even before we had councils, and the councils have been now upscaled to the county. So we are saying money should go to every ward. And in the budgeting and in the financial programming of the counties, there should be money allocated to each ward. The issue, as he's saying, is should it be seen as an MCA kitty? The way CDF has been baptized as an MP's kitty. No, it's not the MCA's kitty. It's money for that ward, so that no ward is lost in this thing we are calling the county.
All right,
money should go to the ward.
In fact, if you compare the account funds and CDF funds today, if you do the analysis and see where money has been spent somehow properly, it's within the constituency.
CDF, yes.
Within the county, you cannot tell what is happening. All what we hear is purchase of 20 vehicles.
So, for example, in your case for Machakos County, you have come out being very vocal on some of the spending in your county. Do you still have issue with how the governor has been going about spending taxpayers' money?
Of course, because when the constitution is very clear on how the county should operate, the money is within the county and is used to construct people's park. When people themselves, they lack water and they lack medication, the money is spent in putting lights all the way from Nairobi to Machakos, for example. When the small markets, they do not have electricity, where people, the common people live. So these are the issues we are saying that if you go to Kiaga's constituency, and I don't say that because I'm talking about 209 members of parliament, you will find between 60 and 7% of the money as put into public use. When you look at the counties, 80% of the money has been put in the luxury issues. That's why we are saying we want to sit together because we are elected to serve one person.
So you want to chair
within
those
the county,
CDBs,
and not because that we want to have powers. There is no powers that we are going to have.
Okay.
The president of the Republic of Kenya chairs the treasury. I mean the budget meeting. At the end of the day, that decides on how the country will be managed. But it does not mean that the president dictates on what to be done.